Silverscreen color Claret. Peachtree Closeout commercial upholstery fabric. The fabric is a tightly woven contract grade textile with a visible, textured weave pattern. It has a rich, deep burgundy or maroon color and a matte to semi-sheen finish, depending on how the light hits it. This is an excellent coordinate for other wovens, prints, and leather. With great durability, this fabric works well in settings where high traffic is a consideration. Cleaning instructions: water. This item has a factory-applied fabric protectant. Width: 54-inch. Fiber content: 63% cotton, 37% polyester. Abrasion rating: 33,000 double rubs. Type: Dobby weave fabric. Pattern: solid color fabric. Lightfast, past industry standards. Use: furniture upholstery fabric. Manufactured to meet the flammability safety rating contained in UFAC Class 1. CA Tech Bull 117E. Now Closeout bargain sale priced for cheap design, limited quantity. At schindlersfabrics.com. Schindler's Upholstery and Fabric Shop, Inc. In Cleveland, Ohio.